Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. In this video, you learn how to cut and sew that stylish Ankara top, but I'll be giving my a little touch of design. It will be a little bit different from that. We'll be needing bias, matching thread, shock, tape roll, and scissors. That's the basic things we need to sew this beautiful top. So this fabric is, I don't think it's even up to 2 years. Is some of the fabric I have, leftover Ankara fabric that I have, so I'm going to use it to sew this stylish top. So uh so I folded my fabric into two. I took my top measurements. I will be pairing this top with an high waist skirt, so I don't want it to be too long. So I took my top length, my chest length, my bust length, whichever one. That's 8 inches. I struck my under bust 13 inches. And my half length 16 inches. So I took my shoulder measurement 7.5, that's 15 inches 15 divided by 2. So I went ahead to take my bust measurement, that's 36 divided by 4, 9. I marked it and added 2 inches sewing allowance to it. At the under bust, my under bust is 8.5, 30 divided by 4. I added 2 inches, and the half length, my half length is also 30 inches. I added 2 inches, and my waist, my hip measurement, I have to take my hip measurement at the end of the top, so that it will sit well on my hip. So I took 9 inches, that's 36 divided by 4, it gives me 9. I added 2 inches to it. So I'll use my ruler to connect the lines together. So at the side, I went up by 2 inches and I slanted the down part of the top. That would be for I'll slant the back this way, and I'm going to give this front a different shape. So at the front, I went in by 4 inches rather, then I curve it this way. So at the shoulder, I'll come down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope. Then I'll take my ruler to roll it to the neckline to slant it. After which I'll come to the neckline. I'll come down by 6 inches. So here is the shape I want and this is how I want the front neckline to look like. So I'll go ahead now to cut out the front piece. Then afterward, I will cut the back piece too. So here I'm cutting out the back piece. I came down by 1.5 for the back neckline. After which I'll go ahead now to cut out the design how I want the front to look like. I'm not cutting the back with it. As you can see, I did not cut the back with it. So I'll cut facing for the front, and I'll use bias to tape the back piece. Put fabric into 4 places to cut the 2 sleeves together. So I measure 20 inches. So guys, this is the neckline. See how beautiful it's looking already, and the front design is giving. It's giving what's supposed to give. So here's the front and the back piece. I'll go ahead now. I have used bias to tape the back neckline. So what I'll do next is to join the shoulder together, and I have this white rope as belt. I want to use it as belt, so it will be by this side. After which I will use my tiny elastic, my 1/2 inch elastic for the sleeve. So here is the elastic. I'll go ahead now and join it to the top and join the sleeve to the body. Yes guys, in less than 10 minutes be able to achieve this beautiful style. My sleeve is not as puffy as where I want it because the fabric wasn't enough, so I just have to manage it. But still, it's still giving, it's still looking good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and turn on your notification bell. Thank you. Bye.